In this lesson, we will solve some more questions of matrices. In this question, we have matrix A and B. Then we have to find out 3A minus 2B. So 3A means we have to multiply matrix A with 3. 2B means we have to multiply matrix B with 2. Then we have to subtract. Right? So how I will start it? 3, write down here. Instead of A, we will write down the A matrix, and these are the elements. Then is this negative sign, negative 2. Instead of B, we will write down elements of B matrix. Now you have to multiply. So see, 3 multiplied by 1. We can do directly as well, but I know that there is a marks of procedure as well. That is why I am solving step by step, but in the next few lessons we will do directly. Here minus and then multiply with all these 4 elements by 2. 2 minus 3, 2 multiplied by 8. And then is 3 minus 6, 9 and 12. And then you have to subtract 0, 14, minus 6 and 16. 8 2 times 16. Right now we have to subtract these two matrices. So I can do it here. You can see easily. Corresponding values. This, the first one with the first one of the other matrix, second with the second one. So 3 minus 0. Here is minus 6, minus 14 and 9 minus, and there is already another minus sign is there, 12 minus 16. So it will be 3 minus 0, 3. It will be 3. This is 15. This is minus 20. And this will be minus 4. See again one more time I will, this is the answer of 3A minus 2B. I will show you that minus 16 and this is positive 12. If there is no sign, it means this is positive. Plus minus minus, yes, you have to subtract, but you have to use the sign of negative, which is greater. In multiplication we will change the sign, but in plus, if you are doing addition or subtraction, we have to use the sign which is for with the greater number. So 16, and this is minus minus plus. Yes, you have to add these two, but sign will remains the same, negative 20. Minus minus positive, we will convert sign if we will do multiplication and division. Second question is 2A transpose minus 3B transpose, and we have discussed the transpose. Transpose means that you have to convert rows into column. A transpose, see this is A, so A transpose is equal to, this is one row, we will write down as a column. This is the second row, we will make it as a column. This is A transpose. Now what about the B transpose? B transpose is 0 and 7, this one, and then minus 3 and 8. We will make it column. Now you have to multiply 2 with this A transpose, not with A, not with B. 2 multiply by 1, 3 minus 2, 4. And then this minus sign we have to use, minus 3, and B transpose is 0, minus 3, 7 and 8. Now multiply, I will do directly here. means 2 means you have to multiply individually these all 4 elements. 2 1 time 2, 2 3 times 6, minus 4, 2 4 times 8. And here I will do the directly as well. 3 0 0, 3 3 minus 9. I am multiplying only with 3, not with minus 3, only with 3. 7 3 times 21, and this is 24. Now we have to subtract this from this, right? So 2 minus 0, 6 minus, and this is also minus here, minus 4, negative 21, 8, negative minus 24. So I will write down here, but in your books or in your copies you have to write down after this, okay? So it will be 2 minus 0 will be 2, and then this will be plus. See, minus minus plus. Here we are doing multiplication, so it will be 15, and then this will be minus 25, and then this is my negative 16, right? And this is your answer. So see, this is minus 24 and positive 8, plus minus minus. Yes, you have to subtract, but we will use the sign of negative 24 because this is greater than 8, right? Okay, so this will be plus, and this is minus minus positive, but you have to use negative 25. Okay, now this is the important question, and when I will write down important, you have to practice 2 or 3 times. If 2 this plus 3 this matrix is equal to this, then you have to find out A plus B, right? So we have to multiply first. I will write down question here, so it will be easy, and this is write down left hand side. First we are going to solve the left hand side. So 2 2 4 minus 3a, and then plus 3 1 b 8 and minus 4. So when we will multiply, I will do directly, right? But you have to do one more step here. 2 multiply by 2, 2 multiply by 4. I am doing directly, and then minus 6 and 2a. Then you have to multiply with the other matrix with 3 1 time 3, 3b 24 and minus 12. Now you have to add, so 4 plus 3, 8 plus 3b minus 6 plus 24, 2a minus 12. It will be 7, right? And it is 18, and it will remains the same because we cannot add it. It is 3b 2a minus 12, and we will say this is A. This is our A matrix, or you can say right hand side, whatever. Here we will write down by equating it, means by equating A with right hand side, with right hand side. So what we have then, we are equating. Now this is the left hand side, this is the result of the left hand side. I will do it here. 7 18, 8 plus 3b 2a minus 12, right, is equal to, because this is not plus and minus, we are equating, making equation, so this and this, right? Okay, so see, A, here we have to find out actually the value of A and B, right? What we are doing, we are calculating the value of A and B. So A is here or B is here, so see, first 8 plus 3b. This part, this is the second element or second entry of the first matrix. This is the second, so we will equate this and this. This is equal to 10. We want only b, right? So 3b is equal to 10. We will take this a to the other side of the equation. It will be minus 8, which is equal to 2, and this is 3b. We want only b here, so we will divide this, divide this. So the value of b is equal to 2 by 3. This is the first requirement. And for a, 2a minus 12 equal to 1. From where? This one. Second entry with second entry, right? And then 2a equal to 1. This negative 12 will go to the other side of the equation. It will be positive. It is 13. And now from here we have to divide it by this 2 because we want only a. So same thing you have to do here, divided by 2. So the a is 13 by 2. This was the requirement to find out the value of a and b. So what you have to do, first you have to multiply this matrix with 2, this matrix with 3, and simplify it. You will get this. This is called a. Now left hand side you have to equate with the right hand side. This was in the right hand side. We have to find out the value of a and b. So the first element, there is no a and b. That is why I didn't touch it. Go to the second one. Here is a and b. So second with second. Make a equation. 8 plus 3b is equal to 10. Find out the value of b. 2a minus 12 is equal to 1, and then you will find out the value of a. If still you have any question, you can write down in comment section, but please practice this question 4 or 5 times. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel Saima Academy, and thanks for watching.